Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vocab with Disha. What if I tell you that the way you speak can instantly make you think you're confident, intelligent, and successful? And the best part, you don't need to memorize thousands of difficult words. In today's video, we are starting one of the most popular vocabulary book ever written, Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. And in this very first session, we will discuss fascinating personality types while learning powerful new words that you can actually use in real life. So let's get started. Before we learn about different personality types, let's first understand what personality means. Personality is a unique combination of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that makes each person different from others. Personality is what makes you you. It is the unique way you think, feel, and behave. Every person has different thoughts, different emotions, and different ways of acting in situations. That's why no two people are exactly the same. For example, one person may love meeting new people and talking a lot, while another person may prefer spending time alone and staying quiet. Both are normal, but they simply have different personalities. So, when we say personality, we mean the combination of person's thoughts, feelings, and behavior that make them different from everyone else. In today's session, we will learn about some interesting personality types discussed in this book. Let us examine 10 personality types, one of which might by chance be your very own. So, the first personality we have is an egoist. So, an egoist person is someone who always puts their own interests and needs before those of others. They are self centered, believes they're superior or most important. For example, imagine a group project where one student takes all the credit and doesn't care about the team's effort. That person is acting like an egoist. Another example, Aman. Aman, he refuses advice because he thinks he's always right. So he is having an egoist personality. Second, we have egotist. Egotist is someone who constantly talk about themselves and their achievements. Example, in a group, there is a girl named Ria and she keeps saying, I did this, I achieved that. So she dominates every conversation. So she is an egotist. Let us take a quick difference between egoist and egotist. So egoist always thinks about their own benefits. They always talk about self advancement. Egotist is someone who loves talking about themselves and their achievement. Third personality type we have altruist. So altruist is someone who helps other without expecting anything in return. For example, a man donates part of his salary to educate poor children. There is a person who donates blood, volunteers or helps a stranger in needs. Next, we have introvert. So, introvert is a person who enjoys spending time alone and feel comfortable in smaller groups. Example, someone who prefers reading a book at home rather than attending a large party. इसका opposite होता है. Next opposite personality we have extrovert. So, an extrovert is a person who gains energy from social interaction and enjoys being around people. Example, someone who loves meeting new people, attending parties, and participating in group activities. Next, we have ambivert. So, ambivert दोनों का combination होता है. It's a person who has both the qualities of introvert and an extrovert. Example, sometimes I just enjoy socializing, and on the other hand, sometimes I prefer being alone. So, I have an ambivert personality. Next, we have misanthrope. Misanthrope is a person who generally dislikes or distrusts people. For example, someone who avoids social interaction because they believe people are selfish or dishonest. ये उनका opinion है लोगों को लेके. That's why they have hatred towards people. Next, we have misogynist. Misogynist is a person who dislikes, looks down upon, or has prejudice against women. Example, someone who believes women are less capable than men simply because they are women. Next, we have misogynist. Misogynist is a person who dislikes or opposes marriages. Example, someone who believes marriages is unnecessary and choose not to marry. Next, last personality type we have ascetic. An ascetic is a person who lives a simple life, and they avoid luxury or excessive pleasure. They live a very disciplinary life, we can say. Time se uthna, office jana, you're having everything in time, and you just have a schedule जो आप daily follow करते हो, एंड यू अवॉइड पार्टीज एंड ऑल. आप एक बहुत डिसिप्लिनरी, एंड आपने देखा होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ले लो मॉन्क्स एंड स्पिरिचुअल सीकर्स, दे ऑफन लिव विद अ वेरी few possessions, so they have ascetic personality. So these were the 10 personality types. Egoist, जो सेल्फ एडवांसमेंट की बात करता है. ईगोटिस्ट, जो अपने अचीवमेंट्स की बात करता है. ऑल्ट्रिस्ट, जिसे डोनेशन करना पसंद है. इंट्रोवर्ट, जिसको अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना पसंद है. सोशल, उसे रहना नहीं पसंद, लोग नहीं पसंद. एक्सट्रोवर्ट, जिसे सोशल गैदरिंग पसंद. इंट्रोवर्ट का अपोजिट होता है एक्सट्रोवर्ट. एम्बीवर्ट, जिसमें इंट्रोवर्ट और एक्सट्रोवर्ट दोनों ट्रेट होती है. मिसेंथ्रोप, जिसे लोग नहीं पसंद. मिसोजिनिस्ट, जिसे विमेंस नहीं पसंद. मिसोगैमिस्ट, जिसे शादी करना नहीं पसंद. हु इज़ अगेंस्ट मैरिजेस. Ascetic is someone who lives simple living and a disciplinary life. So remember, personality types helps us understand human behavior better, but no person fits perfectly into just one category. Most people are mix of different traits. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more vocabulary and personality related content. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.